Americans are spending more than $6 billion a year on probiotics. The problem is, how do we get these microscopic bugs into our system? The gut is filled with powerful acids, and most of the time, these little guys right here would be wiped out. If they can't survive the trip down, then there's no point, right? There have been many methods over the years, and some work better than others. Some don't really work at all. Let's take a look at a few methods and weigh the pros and the cons. If possible, I always recommend going to whole food source to get what my body needs. In the case of probiotics, we're talking about fermented foods. Unpasteurized sauerkraut is a great example. Kimchi is another. Believe it or not, pickles can even be a good source of probiotics. The downside to fermented foods is that many people experience bloating, gassiness, or other discomforts. Yogurt naturally provides a couple probiotic strains. The problem is making it through the gut and all that acid can sometimes be really difficult. There's a lot of debate whether or not these actually do any good at all. Some quality brands have evidence to back them up, most don't. That brings us to capsules and tablets. A capsule helps transport that bacteria all the way down, giving them a really good shot at flourishing there. Capsules have been one of the best options to date, but they come with some problems as well. For one thing, they can lose viability as they sit on the shelf. By the time you take them, a lot of them may be dead. But in order for a probiotic to be a probiotic, it must be alive. And that brings me to why I'm actually here today, my friend. Today, I want to introduce an entirely new way of getting your healthy probiotics. It's called Organifi Balance. These sticks contain 5 extremely resilient probiotic strains. These 5 strains are some of the most well-studied strains available. They provide benefits for increased nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, stomach and digestive ease, neurological support, and mood support. And that's not all. Have you heard prebiotics? Prebiotics are the food that keeps the probiotics thriving. This little stick contains enough prebiotics to feed an entire army. Look how easy it is. You just open it up like this, grab the stick, tear it open, and place it on your tongue. These are the most effective probiotics today. They're reliable and foolproof. And this method I've never seen before, which is why we've created it at Organifi. So good. I know I'm absorbing all the minerals, all the nutrients and vitamins, and the proteins that I eat. If you're ready for a better way to get your daily probiotic, plus your prebiotics, you gotta try Organifi Balance today, my friend. So good. Just give this video a click, order yours right here, right now. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together. Thank you, as always, for watching today, and we'll see you soon.